Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. So these are the colors that I had left over from my previous painting. So I'm going to be using them today, but I am going to use 3-in-1 silicone oil. This is normally used for sewing machines, amongst other things. I'm going to use 2 or 3 little drops per color, since it's just a little bit. Now all of these colors are already mixed with the medium that you've seen in my previous videos. I apply 1 part of paint, 1 part of Elmer's glue, and then I thin it out to consistency with a little bit of water, about 10% or so. So I'm just incorporating the the 3-in-1 oil in here in all the colors. Now, the pink base that you see in the big cup in there, that one does have Floetrol. So just wanted to let you know. So this color right here has white paint, a little bit of this burgundy, just to give it that pinkish color. It has glue, and it has water and Floetrol. No, sorry, it does not have water. It just have paint, Floetrol, glue, and that's it. Okay, so I'm using some colors in there, the burgundy, the orange, gold, and now a little touch of black, because I always like to put some black in there for contrast. And now the greens, dark green, now lime green, and I have a little bit left of the neon green that I used in the previous painting. So now I'm just gonna finish it up, and then I'm gonna do my flick up. Now, what I'm gonna do in this one is I've been itching to do a pour. Normally, normally I lift the cup from the canvas, and I just carefully and slowly stretch the paint, right? So now what I want to do is just lift and immediately tilt and stretch the paint. I've seen this guy on Instagram doing that, and I've been itching to try it. So there we go. So now 1, 2, 3 in the 4th corner over there, and that's it. And now I'm going to use a little bit of the paint for the corner over here. You can already see those sails. I'm telling you guys, in 2 years that I have that I've been working with fluid art, I have never seen sails like this. It's they have a different shape, don't they? That's interesting. Okay, so now I'm going to apply a little bit of heat over here. If you don't have a torch, a kitchen torch like this, then you can always use a hair dryer. So a hair dryer. So it's just heat. Okay, so you can leave it like this, or you can apply a little bit more heat right here in the corner, or don't. Make your painting yours, to your liking. So it looks like this. So you can leave it like this, or you can always swipe it. I'm going to use gold in here. All across. And you can use either a wet towel, because it weighs more and it drags better, or in this case I am going to use just the plain dry paper towel. But I'm gonna make sure that all my gold is attached to it in order to do my swipe. And now carefully swipe it. There we go. See? Now if you don't see cells right away, don't worry about it. They will start popping out like now. And if you apply heat to them, it's gonna even help even more. So we're gonna do that right now. And you're gonna start seeing those cells coming out. See? Like such. Now I'm gonna use my black paint and I'm gonna start putting some dots or some little puddles in here to create a little bit of contrast. As you can see there. So you can leave it like that, or you can add a little bit of gold as well. Some touches of gold. See, I'm using this to cover that gray one that I did not like. And that gray comes from that bit of black that I put at the beginning. Remember when I was mixing the colors in the cup? So it looks good like that if you like it. If you don't, then the other thing is you can balloon press those dots to start creating more flowers or designs. It's yours. The most important thing is that you feel good with your painting. If you don't like the colors I use, Gloria, hallelujah, God bless America, you can use your own, okay? The most important thing, like I said, is that you like your painting. So I share my projects with you because, simply put, I love seeing your comments, and because I feel like you're right there with me while I'm doing this. Because I don't like to do it at home all by myself. So now I am going to start applying some of these gold paint. I like to put them especially in the center of the flowers. But in here, I'm just covering some of the paint, some of the canvas that was exposed when I did the swipe. And so I am going to continue this. If you haven't done so, give me some love and give me some likes. Push that like button while you're watching this. And like I said, I will continue doing that. And I will invite you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. And we'll see you. Now that the painting is dried, as you can see, I used a little bit of glitter. You know me, I always find excuses to use glitter lately, and I'm obsessed with it. And the gold dots. Hey, let me know if this camera angle works out for you. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.